Installing a post-mount mailbox is a simple DIY project you can complete in the afternoon. Whether you're putting in a new mailbox or replacing an old one, I'll walk you through this simple process. USPS requires that post-mount mailboxes be no taller than 45 inches above street level. Since most streets have a curb, the standard height is 42 inches plus the few inches added by the curb to total 45 inches. To install a post-mount mailbox, here's what you'll need. The first step is to measure and mark a spot so that the front of your mailbox sits 6 to 8 inches from the curb. Then add the length of your specific mailbox to find the center of the hole. A post hole digger is the easiest way to dig the hole. Dig deep enough so that the height of your mailbox above the ground is around 42 inches, but be careful not to dig your hole more than 24 inches deep. To ensure your mailbox post meets Federal Highway Administration recommendations, use a 4x4 wooden post or a 2-inch diameter standard steel or aluminum pipe. Insert the mailbox post into the hole. Then prop it up with support beams extending around the outside of the hole. Double-check the height and use a level to ensure the post is straight. Once your post is in place, prepare a bag of fast-setting concrete using the manufacturer's instructions. Then pour the concrete into the hole around the post. Allow a few inches of space at the top of the hole. Then use a level to double-check the post. Make any adjustments needed before the concrete begins to dry. Once the concrete is dry, it's time to attach the mailbox to the post, following the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, add house numbers on the side of the mailbox, making sure the numbers are at least 1 inch tall. Then dress it up. Add soil over the concrete and plant flowers or a small garden around it. Installing a new mailbox is a simple project that will upgrade your home's curb appeal. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.